Hello everyone, I just bought Roku Express. I'm gonna unbox it and review it for you guys. So let's just quickly open it. Okay, so there are a couple of batteries, adapter, and that's the box. Wow, it's really small. It's about the size of my two fingers. And what else? They got a double tape. You can attach it to the TV or the table that I use. It looks good. And there's a small handy remote. It's a lightweight, really good. Okay, there's a manual and what else? Wow, they got a HDMI cable. That's pretty good. And there's a USB cable. You can for the adapter. Yeah. Okay, let's quickly set up. Okay, so we have to activate this device by following the directions. We have to go to their website and link the device to their website by giving that code. Okay, so I just set up activated from the website and this screen appeared in front of me. And this is a channel store. There are like 30. Thank you so much for watching the video. Download these channels and enjoy the TV. Thank you.